Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to use Find My Device to track your phone. First, go to Settings and look for Password and Security or simply Security on some phones. Tap Find My Device, but in my phone, it's Find Hub, and turn it on. If you ever lose your phone, just visit google.com/android/find and sign in. Also, you'll see a remote lock. So if this device is lost or stolen, or if your device is lost or stolen, you can lock it using your phone number. Enable it, and when your phone is lost or stolen, you can go to android.com/lock on any devices, and from there, you can lock your phone. Now you can make your phone ring, lock it, or erase data remotely.